Good day, class. Today we will talk about problem solving involving linear equations. So we will use the previous knowledge you've gained on our discussion last time for you to easily solve problems involving linear equations. So to solve problems, we have the steps. First is we have to read the problem several times if necessary until you understand what is given and what is to be found. Okay? Then, number two, or step number two, assign a read carefully the problem for us to create an exact equation. Okay? Then solve the equation. After having the equation, then we are able to solve it using the previous skills you've acquired. Okay, solving equations in one variable. Then state the answer to the problem. Okay, if after having the result. So example number one, the sum of two numbers is 30. One number is 12 less than twice the other number. Find the two numbers. So we have two missing numbers. We have to find it, okay? So our solution is, again, we have to assign variable to the missing values or unknown values. So we will let x be the one number. Okay, as you can see, one number is 12 less than twice the other number. So suppose x be the one number. Then the other number, we will let 30 minus x because it says that the sum of two numbers is 30. So when we subtract x to 30, therefore, we are able to find the other number, okay? Because x plus other number is equal to 30. Okay, we just reversed this statement, okay? Next, let's create an equation. It says that one number, that is x, right, is, one number is means equal, okay? One number is equal to 12 less than twice the other number. 12 less than, therefore, we have to put 12 at the last part. Less than means subtraction. Twice the other number means we have to multiply 2 to the other number, which is 30 minus x. That's why we have 2 times 30 minus x. Okay? Again, one number is, therefore x is equal to 12 less than means we have to put 12 at the last part of our equation. Then less than means subtraction. Twice the other number means 2 times the other number is 30 minus x. So 2 times 30 minus x. Okay, now we have this equation. And to solve this equation, let's use different properties. First, we have the distributive property. Okay? When we say distributive property, we have to distribute the value to the other value, okay, using multiplication. Like for example, this term we have 2 times 30 minus x means we have to multiply 2 to 30 and 2 to negative x. So copy x is equal to 2 times 30 is 60, 2 times negative x is negative 2x, then copy negative 12. Then after that, let's transpose, or we will put this variable to the other side because the other variable is on the other side. So negative 2x When we transpose it to the other side, it will become positive 2x. Okay? The sign will be changed. We will be having x plus 2x. Okay? X, then plus 2x. Then, on the right side, we have 60, then minus 12. Okay? Let's combine. X plus 2x is 3x. Then 60 minus 12 is 48. Okay, then let's divide. Divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of the variable. So our numerical coefficient is 3. Therefore, divide both sides by 3. So 3x divide 3 is x. Then 48 divide 3 is 16. It says here that x is equal to 16. Therefore, that is the one number. Okay, one number is 16. And to find this other number, we have to change this x by 16. So 30 minus x is equal to 30 minus 16. Okay, 30 minus 16 is 14. So the other number is 14. Okay, one number is 16 because here we have x is equal to 16. Then the other number is 14. So the two numbers are 14 and 16. Okay, this is our final answer. The two numbers are 14 and 16. And to check, we have the sum of 16 and 14 is 30. Okay, as you can see, the sum of two numbers is 30. Then 16 is 12 less than twice of 14. Which means that when we twice 14, that is 28. And when we subtract 12, 28 minus 12 is 16. Okay, therefore that is true. Okay, so our answer is this. The two numbers are 14 and 16. Next example, the length of a rectangle is 2 feet more than 3 times the width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 124 feet. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. When we read carefully the problem, we have to find the length and width of the rectangle. Okay? Then it says that the length is 2 feet more than 3 times the width, and the perimeter is 124 as our given. So, let's assign a variable. We will let W be the width. Okay? And if W is the width, therefore our length is, what is length here? Length is 2 feet more than 3 times the width. Therefore, 2 feet. So, 2 more than means plus 3 times the width. So, 3 times W. Okay, since our width is W. So, this is our length. Again, 2 feet more than 3 times the width. This is our length. This is our width. Now, let's make a sketch. As you can see, our rectangle. Then we have here the width and we have here the length. Okay, so write an equation wherein the perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula. So this is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. Okay, so what is our perimeter? We have, what is our length? We have 2 plus 3W. So we will be having 2 times 2 plus 3W. And what is our width? We have 2 times width or 2W. Let us solve step number 4. Okay, so as you can see, we can distribute 2 to 2 and positive 3W using multiplication. So, distributive property, we have 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3W is 6W. Okay? Then after that, let's combine like terms. Okay. So, 124 is equal to 4, copy. Then 6W plus 2W is 8W or 8 width. Then let's isolate the variable on the right side. So we have to eliminate this 4 by subtracting 4. So let's subtract 4 on the right side and subtract 4 on the left side, or simply transpose or put this 4 to the other side. So it will become negative. Okay, so 124 minus 4 is 120. So 4 minus 4 is 0. That's why we have here 8W. Then let's divide both sides by the numerical coefficient, which is 8. So divide both sides by 8. 120 divide 8 is 15. 8W divide 8 is W. Therefore, the width is equal to 15. So the width of the rectangle is 15 feet and the length is, so we will use the previous expression for the length, which is 2 plus 3 times W. So we will change W by 15. So 2 plus 3 times 15 is 45 plus 2 is 47 feet. So our answer is the width of the rectangle is 15 feet and the length is 47 feet. That is our final answer. Okay, example number 3. A local grocery store baked a combined total of 912 chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies. If they bake 336 more chocolate chip cookies than sugar cookies, how many of each did the store bake? Okay, let's read the problem. So we are asked to find the total number of each type of cookie baked. Okay, the question is how many chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies did they bake? Okay. So number 2, assign a variable. Let S be the number of sugar cookies baked. Okay, S be the number of sugar cookies baked. Then it says that there were 336 more chocolate chip cookies than baked. Okay, 336 more means we have to add 336 to the sugar cookies. Okay, to represent the chocolate chip cookies. So as you can see, the chocolate chip cookies is 336 more than sugar cookies. Okay, so S plus 36 will be the representation for the total number of chocolate chip cookies. Again, S be the number of sugar cookies and S plus 36 be the total number of chocolate chip cookies, since chocolate chip cookies is 336 more than the sugar cookies. Or there are 336 more chocolate chip cookies than sugar cookies. To solve this, let's have an equation wherein when we add the two cookies, we will obtain the total, okay? So our first is sugar, so that is S. Then chocolate chip is S plus 36. So S plus 36 is equal to 912. That is our combined total number of cookies, 912. So let's solve this equation. We have
Let us solve S plus 336 is equal to 912. So combine like terms, S plus S is 2S plus 336 is equal to 912. Then let's isolate S on the left side. So to make it possible, we have to subtract 336 to both sides. 2S plus 336
minus 336 is equal to 912 minus 336. Therefore, let's simplify. We have 2S plus 336 minus 336. We have 0 plus 2S is 2S. Then 912 minus 336 is 576. Let's divide both sides by 2 because that is our numerical coefficient. So divide 2, the answer is 288. Okay? 2s divide 2 is s. 576 divide 2 is 288. So, our answer or final answer will be our S is 288. Therefore, that is our sugar cookies. Okay, there are 288 sugar cookies. So, if our chocolate chip cookies is S plus 336, means we have to add 336 to 288, and that is equal to 624. So, 624 is the number of chocolate chip cookies baked. Okay? So, to check, 624 is 336 more than 288. And the sum of 624 and 288 is 912. Okay? Again, our final answer is there are 288 sugar cookies baked and 624 chocolate chip cookies baked. Okay, so that's all for today. For you to easily solve the problem, first, you have to read or analyze the given problem. Then after that, you have to assign variables to the unknown values. Then you have to create an equation. Then after that, solve the equation. Then state your answer. Okay? You can check your answer to make sure that your obtained answer is correct. Okay? Now, I want you to go to page 182 of your book to practice your skills in solving problems involving linear equations. So that's all for today. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.